YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Tonic fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Crow fam, I am back with another video. If you're new here, this is your first time you're hearing about the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Doing my best to upload every day. I am not going to miss a day, man. This algorithm is super painful. The crypto algorithm is painful. You're posting so many videos and barely getting views, but we are still gonna keep going, man. We're not gonna give up, and just like the Tonic team and community, you guys aren't gonna give up. So yeah, man, I'll keep doing my Tonic coverage for you guys. I still am bullish on Tonic, still got my bag, and just gonna wait and see, man. That's it. That's all it is. I'll see you guys, see what happens in 2024, 2025. Let's see what happens, man. So right now, Tonic sitting at $31 million in market cap. 24-hour trade volume is at 48K. You know, kind of slow, but like we've seen in the past, Tonic could just move super fast in like one day. Huge moves, like such a short amount of time, man. You know, and it happens so fast, right? But on the 7-day, it looks like we're having a nice sideways movement right here, and we could be starting an uptrend. You guys can see higher low on the 7-day. So we'll see how that plays out. Overall, the markets are a lot more bullish. We also got some great news from crypto.com, and we're gonna get into that. There was some news about the Wagner group, you know, which kind of trending right here. Oh, you could already see it right here. Videos of the Wagner group guys in Russia trying to do a coup d'etat on Russia, right? But apparently all of that caused you know, some negative news for the markets. Crypto started to take a little bit of a retrace, but apparently that has ended peacefully, and you know, from what we've seen, that has come to an end. Now I think it was Mario, one of the top guys that's been doing Twitter spaces. This was an hour ago. So let's see, just going through it just to make sure, to let you guys know, man. Restrictions on the movement of vehicles have been lifted from the Voronezh region, which saw clashes earlier during the coup. Now, my thoughts: I did not expect this would end peacefully with a deal, as it seemed both sides seemed at the point of no return. I have no idea how Prigozhin and Putin can both operate in Russia with what just transpired. I also have no idea what will happen with the war in Ukraine, but I wouldn't be surprised if we see a space deal reached. Today was another example of citizen journalism replacing mainstream media with unbiased and uncensored live breaking news. And we can see right here. Make sure my audio is on point, guys. My apologies. My apologies, guys. Be with me. So yeah, it seems like it kind of they came to an agreement, so the coup has ended. That's gonna be bullish, man, going into next week, because it is a weekend. So right now the markets are a bit more sluggish on the weekends. That's always the case. But going into next week, Tuesday, we'll see the leverage spot ETF for Bitcoin go live, and I think next week is gonna be very bullish. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a nice breakout for Crow, and you know, Tonic. Going with Crow, man. See Crow already making a nice move up, man. Tonic is gonna lag behind, but I think it's gonna follow, man. I really do. It's been following the Crow chart for, you know, forever, right? So I really think it's gonna follow, man. This is on the 7-day. You could already see Tonic make a nice little move up, so we'll see what happens, man. Still bullish on the project, like I've said. We have you know, an announcement that is coming out next week, which is perfect timing, because that's when the Bitcoin leverage ETF goes live. We'll see what that announcement is about. from Agent 00. Tonic will be #1 on the top gainers list soon. I remember a few months ago the entire market was red and Tonic doubled in price. It's still early, not financial advice. And I'm telling you guys, a lot of people might doubt that, but we saw it, how it moved so fast in the past, man. Like, it was just, you know, out of commission, and then Tonic is the blue line here. It was just kind of like on this huge retrace, and then boom, huge pop to the upside, guys. I wouldn't be surprised that happened once again when the Bitcoin leverage ETF goes live. Crow starts breaking out, Tonic follows. Wouldn't be surprised. From Shango, Tonic has an update coming next week. Best money market on Chronos, and that is a fact. And when we're going into this crypto.com news, we're excited to share our latest regulatory achievement in Europe. We have attained our virtual asset provider registration in Spain. Learn more right here. As you guys can see from this beautiful gift, Spain, crypto.com obtains virtual asset service provider registration in Spain. So now Spain, people of Spain, the whole country can legally engage in crypto, and, you know, buying and selling crypto, being investors of crypto from Spain through crypto.com, man. That is absolutely amazing. That is huge news. I don't know why not much more people have been talking about this, but today's announcement continues crypto.com's regulatory license momentum, having received its major payment institution license for digital payment token and its MPI for e-money issuance, account issuance, cross-border and domestic money transfer services for the Monetary Authority of Singapore, registration as a DASP by the Autorité des Marchés Financiers in France, registration approval as a crypto asset business from the UK, Dubai, and obviously Spain is now a part of that, guys. That's absolutely bullish, man. That is absolutely bullish for crypto.com, and in my opinion, for Tonic, right? Imagine all those people from Spain seeing Tonic and be like, oh, what is this? They get interested. That's why I said, when Crow is successful, I expect Tonic to be successful, right? It's, you know, it's gonna grow with the ecosystem as being its top DeFi protocol on Chronos chain. So yeah, we have people talking about the news from the Ghost, and already covered what happened with the Wagner Group as well. So yeah, guys, a lot of bullish news has been coming out recently, and you know, we could see Tonic in the blue line and Crow in the orangish line, starting to make a nice little, you know, little something going on for the weekend. I wouldn't be surprised next week we start seeing breakouts for projects like Crow and Tonic. I'll see though. We'll see if I'm right. If I'm wrong, you know, that's all a part of crypto. But yeah, next week should be bullish whenever that leverage Bitcoin ETF goes live. I think we're gonna see huge, not huge green candles, but we're gonna see breakouts for Bitcoin, man. And we know alts follow Bitcoin, so we'll see what happens, guys. Tonic fam, Crow fan, thanks so much for tuning in. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. Support the Patreon, first link in the description. Get access to my private Discord and my buy alerts and sell alerts, so we could get some trades in to buy more projects like Tonic. Again, I appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.